My name is Cynthia Morales from the University of Texas at Arlington. I'm in Dr. Carla Amaro's class, Week 4312. The topic is Physical Science, Properties of Matter. I want to concentrate on physical science, in more detail the properties of matter, such as the three basic states, solids, liquids, and gases. The reason why I chose this topic is because everything on Earth is made up of matter. Thus, it is a very important concept for children to understand at an early age. Because my topic focuses on the way molecules are arranged in the different types of matter, I have selected students in the 3rd grade level. These students are at the concrete operations level according to Piaget's states of cognitive development. At this level, the students in 3rd grade are able to see things from different points of view and imagine things outside of their daily lives. The type of learning experience that the activity provides is a structured approach. I have chosen the experience and given directions for the child's actions during the activity, although the activity does leave some room for an informal learning experience because they are able to take control of their actions when exploring the different types of matter. Therefore, this is a combination of both structured and informal learning experiences. I began my lesson by briefly introducing the unique characteristics of each state of matter, such as the arrangement of molecules and the shape of each they take. After I briefly discussed the arrangement of the molecules, I had the students pretend they were molecules themselves. In this quick activity, the students acted out the states of matter, showing how close together the molecules in a solid are, how spread apart the molecules are in a liquid, and how free-flowing the molecules are in a gas.
Become a solid. Okay, now become a liquid. What happened when you became a liquid?
We separated.
You separated a little bit, right? Okay, now become a gas. No running. Be careful. What happens when you became a gas?
We separated that.
You separated a lot, right? You went all over the place. One went there, the other one went there, and it was all crazy. Because look at the molecule.
I then proceeded to explain the characteristics of each state of matter. As I showed them the examples of a solid state, I pulled out things such as cubes and rubber balls. I specifically mentioned that a solid has tightly packed molecules, and no matter what container you put it in, it will hold its shape. Next, I demonstrated the liquid state. I showed them that the liquid does not retain its shape, and its molecules are less packed, thus the flowy movement. Finally, we discussed the gaseous state. For this state of matter, I also presented it to them in a bag, showing them how it also takes the shape of its container, whether it's in a bag or if it's in our room. And as for the molecules in the gaseous state, they are freely moving and bumping into each other.
The molecules, we talked about the molecules, right? Things that make up matter, right? Little tiny things. How do they look like in a solid? A cube. What do you think this is?
Solid.
A solid. Why would you say it's a solid? Because it's hard, right? You can knock on it and it hurts. Does it have weight? Does it weigh anything?
Yes.
It does, right? A cube. In this cup, what is it? What's it? You think it's gonna take the shape of this container?
No.
No?
It's gonna stay in the shape.
What happened?
Nothing.
Nothing, right? So solids keep its shape. Even if I put it in this cup, it's still going to be a cube when it's in there and when I take it out, right?
Cool.
Right here. What happened when I laid it on the cart?
Taking the space of the bag.
It takes the space of the bag, right? But it's flat. And if I sit on it, it takes another shape, right? So it's semi-flat, but it also has more height to it. But what if I were to put it in this cup?
Put it. Take the space.
What would it do?
Take the space.
Right? So liquids take the shape of whatever container they're in. So they're a little separate. What about our gas? What do the molecules of our gas look like?
Super separated.
Super here, and then one's over here, and then one's down here, and they're just going all crazy.
A great activity for properties of matter is one where you fill up 3 balloons, one with a liquid, another with a gas, and finally one with a solid. I then had the students predict which balloon they thought belonged in each category. Then the students were allowed to cut open the balloons and see the contents inside.
Why do you think that's the gas balloon?
It has air, so
It has air in it. Look, it's all big and round, right? And then we sniffed it, and what happened to it? It flushed, right? It got all like this. So what happened to the air inside it? It went away, right? So it was the shape of a balloon. Now what shape is it if we took it out? But it went into our room, right? To pretend that these are molecules. Remember what our molecules are?
yeah, those tiny thingies.
They're the smallest things that make up matter, right? So we're going to pretend these are our molecules, and on your desk, I want you to show me what the molecules look like of whatever I say. This cube. On your desk, I want you to show me with your mini molecules what the molecules in this cube look like. So can you show me what the molecules in this cube look like? Show me.
Todos juntos.
Yes, they're all tightly packed. What is matter? What did you tell me? Solid, liquid, and gas. But what else did we learn about matter today?
Mass.
Mass, that it has mass. What else? Evan?
Liquid and solid make gas.
Liquid and solids make gas. Good observation.
That they have particles.
They got molecules. What are our molecules?
The little thing.
The tiny little things that make up matter to us. Why do we have to learn it? Everything is made of matter.